Hi everyone, Kathie on here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 or approximately a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas. Nothing on it yet, a couple of scuff marks from grubby fingers. And I have my dustpan which has got a few colours in it from a previous pour, and they were just so pretty. But what I'm going to do, even though I know that's grubby underneath, put that there, I'm just going to pour the rest of these colours. These are all leftovers, as I said, from a previous, and I'm going to just tip them off the pan and then do a tilt and hopefully get something really pretty. So I'm using red, orange, yellow, a smidgen of gold, some black and some white, and in the orange and the yellow there is some silicone. Not a lot, but some. So nice load of yellow. Okay. As I said, excuse me, as I said, a smidgen of gold. So getting it out. Go there. Have I got any black left in here? Oh yeah, just a little bit. May as well use it up. Can always put more black in a minute. And some white, let's go. And that's got to be a lot, although I've still got, as I said, some more black here. Go on, but I'm going to do this first. Bring the colours through. Break them down a bit. Okay, so here we go. Oh, hang on, I should do it this way so you can see what I'm doing. I'll just let that come off. You can see the beautiful patterns. I don't want to leave any paint on here. Okay, that should be good. And now a bit of black around the edges here. Running out of black. Somewhere at the top. Alright, let's do a tilt and see what we have, eh? So I'll take down the end first. And then the back. Oh, it's coming up lovely. Over this corner. There we go. And then lucky last. And then I'm going to get rid of this busy bit. I like this. Come on, down you go. slowly but surely. Right, I'm so pleased I got rid of that. Maybe a little bit more, do you think? The gold on that orange is looking really cool. Okay, now I'm happy. We do this, and then I'm going to go wipe my hands, come back and torch it, see if I've got any magic hiding in there. I know I've got air bubbles, I can see them. Alright, keep your eye on that for me for a second. Oh, it looks good. Right. You know, if this one doesn't put up too many cells, I don't care, but it looks like it's going to. But I really like that. Right. Yep, you can see cells coming up, and smaller ones, and they'll keep growing probably. But this is really pretty. I really like this one. I think it's a little bit different to what I have done in the past, but that's only because of the way the paint reacts, I suppose. And so, as I said, the paint's pouring medium. Recipes down below the video under show more. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos. And as you can see, this one is really quite interesting. Looks like autumn leaves, or what do you call it over there? Fall. We say autumn. And yeah, I like this one. It's very bright, cheery. I don't know if you'd say they're hot summer colours or lovely autumn shades. Yeah, doesn't matter. They're pretty. And thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.